Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, high traffic, from where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. Okay, so the website name is Skillshare. So this is a very repetitive website, so where you guys can create or publish and anything to you can publish your knowledge and the skills on this site. Okay, so this is a website dashboard. So before the started, we can ensure something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 87, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 83, and the spam score is only 1%. And according to Similar Web, this website drawing 4.3 million traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, UK, India, Canada, Australia, and another countries. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys can create your backlink on this site. So now we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so now we can start. So simply you guys can click on this sign up button, and there is multiple options. You can choose anything according to your convenience. So I'm proceed with I sign up with email. So there I can add email address, our email address, and after that you can click on the sign up button, and there you guys can choose your password, and you guys can click on the continue button. Once you guys can complete these things, so this site can navigate you on the payment dashboard. So if you guys can see this dashboard, so simply you guys can ignore these things, and you can see top of the right corner there is a profile icon. So you can click on this, and you will see there is a view profile button. You can click on this button, and you will see there is a edit profile button. You can click on this, and from there you guys will start optimizing your things. So suppose that there you guys can add about jobma, and there you guys can add your company description. So let me, I have already generated this content, so let me add this. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And if you wanting to add any one way video interviewing, so if you wanting to add any a targeted keyword, if you wanting to add hyperlink or any targeted keyword, so simply you guys can select your keyword. So let me select this keyword, and I wanting to add so there you guys can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this, and you will insert your website URL. So I have also another keyword, so I can add another one, live video interviewing. So live video interviewing is this, and the audio assessment. So I have insert a multiple backlink on this site. So yeah, you guys can follow the same process. So you guys can add your company description, and you guys will insert your website URL on any respective targeted keyword. And once you guys can complete these things, so simply you guys can click on the save and the exit button. So let me ignore these things. Either I can click on this because I have added many things. If these things can going to ignore, so this is a very hectic for me. Okay, so again I can click on the edit profile button, and there you guys see, there you guys will see there is a button. So there you guys can add your company name, and you guys will upload your company logo, and there you guys can add your main targeted keyword. So main targeted keywords is a best video interviewing software company, and you guys will add your all social details, social media accounts. So let me add the social accounts, but this is not visible on the public profile. So but still we can add Twitter, and the Instagram is this one, and I have also the Pinterest where we are doing, and this is YouTube, and there you guys will add your website URL. And once you guys can complete these things, so if you're wanting to add any sections from using this, you guys will start optimizing your another details. Okay, so simply I can click on the save and the exit button because I have completed all the things. So let me copy the profile URL and I can show you in incognito, so what is approved and what is not. So you guys will see this is our company name, and this is headline, and this is a backlink, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is we have created a very high quality profile backlink on skillshare.com. so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you are in the education industry, so must you guys can create your backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.